Have you ever dreamt of seeing strong wind in your dream? Either wind carrying away objects, wind opening doors and windows, or even hearing sound of mighty wind and woke up very terrified and wondering what it means? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, by the grace of God, we'll explore 9 meanings of seeing strong wind in your dream and what God is trying to tell you through that dream. Watch till the end so you don't miss any of the important meanings, and maybe your dream may contain an important message for your life. The first type of a dream we'll talk about today is gentle but strong wind. Seeing gentle but strong wind in your dream. If you happen to see a very powerful wind in your dream, but the wind was not destructive but you feel its strength, that wind represents the presence of the Holy Spirit. It means the Holy Spirit is moving in your life. The Bible in the book of John 3 verses 8 says, "The wind blows wherever it pleases. You hear its sound, but you cannot tell where it comes from or where it is going. So it is everyone's born of the Spirit." According to this verse, the dream means that God is working behind the scene even when we cannot fully understand His plans. It means God is about to move you into a new season of blessings and breakthrough. For wind often signals changes in season. Note that if you happen to see that wind surrounding you but it did not harm you in that dream, this dream is a reminder that even if you are facing challenges in life, God is there for you and He is protecting you, and you will overcome those challenges. The Bible in the book of Psalms 91 verses 1 says, "Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty." So, anytime you happen to see gentle wind in your dream, pray and ask the Holy Spirit to guide every step you take because He is moving in your life and His presence is within you. The second type of a dream we'll talk about today is wind carrying away objects. Seeing wind carrying away objects in your dream. If you happen to see a very strong wind in your dream, just that it is even carrying objects, this dream indicates God is removing things that no longer belong in your life. It could be unhealthy relationship or even burdens that are keeping you from God's purpose. This dream also symbolizes loss. If you happen to be a business person at that current time of that dream, this dream comes as a warning that you are about to incur losses in your business which will bring you back to square one. So, if you wake up very terrified after that dream, cancel it immediately after waking up so that it will not manifest in your life. This dream also indicates that God is removing all the obstacles in your way which are hindering your blessings and breakthrough, clearing your way for your breakthrough and opportunities, just as you have seen that strong wind clear away dry lips. Note that if the dream brought fear or wind seems destructive, this dream indicates spiritual attack. It means your enemy is about to steal your peace and the joy, for the Bible in the book of John 10:10 says, "A thief comes only to steal, kill, and destroy. I have come that you may have life and have it in full." The third type of a dream we'll talk about today is wind opening doors and windows. Seeing wind opening doors and windows in your dream. If you happen to see a strong wind suddenly opening doors and the windows, this dream is a good dream. In the Bible, wind often symbolizes the work of the Holy Spirit. This dream indicates Holy Spirit is moving in your life, opening great doors in your life and new doors. For example, if you happen to be jobless and seeking for a job, this dream shows you that an opportunity door has been opened and you will soon get a good and a well-paying job that will change your life completely in a positive way. The Bible in the book of Revelation 3 verses 8 says, "See, I have placed before you an open door that no one can close." This dream also indicates an expected change in your life. For example, if you happen to be employed and maybe you have stayed on that job for long without getting promotion, this dream shows you that you will get a promotion even without expecting it. You will wake up one day, report to the place of work, and receive a promotion letter. Note that if the open doors by the wind and the windows left you very terrified and feeling uneasy, this dream carries a warning sign to be spiritually watchful according to the Bible in the book of 1 Peter 5 verses 8, which says, "Be alert and of sober mind. Your enemy, the devil, prowls around like a roaring lion looking for someone to devour." The fourth type of a dream we'll talk about today is a violent storm wind. Seeing a violent storm wind in your dream. If you happen to see a violent storm wind in your dream, this dream indicates spiritual battle. It means you have enemies in your life who are intending to bring confusion, fear, and discouragement in your life. This dream also is a warning from God to return back to Him. It is a warning you examine your spiritual life and turn away from anything separating you from God. Violent storm also indicates God is shaking and removing unstable foundation so that His purpose can be established. Note that if you happen to survive that storm wind and remain unharmed, this dream indicates you are under God's protection and He is watching over you. So, you need to pray more and put your trust in God even when circumstances seem out of control. The fifth type of a dream we'll talk about today is wind pushing you forward in a dream. Seeing wind pushing you forward in a dream. If you happen to see wind pushing you forward in your dream, that is a good dream. It means divine direction. It means God and is directing you and He has opened great doors for you and nobody can shut those doors. It means God's favor is in you and you will succeed in every area of your life. This dream also indicates Holy Spirit leading you to your destiny. As you always know, wind is often associated with the Holy Spirit spiritually. If you happen to be feeling stuck at that current time of that dream, it means God is breaking every chain of stagnation and delay, leading you to your place of blessings. This dream also indicates a season of acceleration. It means all those problems which were holding you back are about to come to an end. It is a sign that you should stop looking behind but be prepared for new opportunities ahead of you, according to the Bible in the book of Isaiah 43 verses 18 to 19, which says, "Forget the former things. Do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing for you." Note that If the wind in your dream felt violent or pushing you toward danger, you should be very careful and pray for discernment, because not every force that pushes is from God. The Bible in the book of 1 John 4 verses 1 says, "Dear friends, do not believe every spirit, but test the spirit to see whether they are from God." The sixth type of a dream we'll talk about today is wind blowing against you. Seeing wind blowing against you in a dream. If you happen to see wind blowing against you in your dream, this dream indicates opposition or resistance. You may be trying to move forward, but something is resisting you from moving. It means God has opened a new door in your life, but you have enemies who are against you, and they are working days and night to make sure you will not enter through that opened door. So, you need to pray more and trust in God, for He is still with you even in the middle of struggle. This dream also indicates or symbolizes that the storm will not last forever, for wind always blows for a short period of time and it stops. It means even if you are facing strong opposition at that current time of that dream, God has the power to calm every storm and bring peace to your life. It means the same way God has commanded the wind, He can also bring you through the wind. This dream also indicates you are in the season where God is calling you to stand firm in faith. So, you need to pray more and put your trust in God, for He is greater than every storm and every opposition. The seventh type of a dream we'll talk about today is strong wind over water. Seeing strong wind over water in your dream. Seeing strong wind over water in a dream represents time for spiritual change in your life. It means God is leading you into a new season that requires faith and dependence on Him. The Bible in the book of Isaiah 43 verses 19 says, "I am making a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert." If the wind in that dream created large waves in water, this dream indicates challenges you are facing in life, but with prayers you will overcome them. This dream is also a call to trust in God's voice. God may be calling you to listen to His voice above fear and discouragement. This dream also indicates God's power over chaos and His ability to bring peace even in difficult situations. So, you need to pray more after such type of a dream and reject fear and stand on God's promises. The eighth type of a dream we'll talk about today is wind destroying houses or trees. Seeing wind destroying houses or trees in your dream. Seeing strong wind destroying houses and trees in your dream indicates you are in the period of being tested. It means God is testing your faith in Him, so you need to put your trust in Him. This dream also indicates God is clearing all those obstacles standing against your progress in life, so that something strong can be established. Strong wind in that dream represents God, and the trees and houses represent your enemies. So, the dream indicates God is dealing with all your enemies of your progress and destiny, destroying them and putting them under your feet. So, you need to pray and tell God to protect that dream so that it will manifest in your life. The last type of a dream we'll talk about today is dust-filled strong wind. Seeing dust-filled strong wind in your dream. Seeing dust-filled strong wind in your dream indicates difficult seasons in your waking life. It means God has allowed that season not to destroy you, but to test your faith in order to strengthen you and refine your trust in Him. This dream also indicates a season of confusion or spiritual blindness. Even in real life, if dust enters your eyes, you don't see clearly. So this dream indicates spiritual distractions that is making it difficult to see clearly God's direction and guidance. This dream also indicates God is shaking what is temporarily in your life, creating something which is permanent in your life. Wind in that dream representing powerful change, and dust representing temporary nature or earthly things. It means God is removing unstable foundations so that what remains is built on His eternal kingdom. So, anytime you happen to have such type of a dream, pray for wisdom and spiritual discernment, and tell God to remove confusion in your life, and pray for God's protection over yourself and your family. Thank you so much for watching. If this video blessed you, don't forget to like, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dreams, interpretations, and insight. Remember also to leave a comment describing your dream, and may the Lord grant you wisdom, discernment, and peace as you seek for His directions. God bless you. For now, it's bye-bye. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed night. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Bye.